Hi, my name's Krystal Gadsby, and today I will be doing a presentation on the maths phenomenon symmetry in nature. The aim of this is to show my fellow educators how I would conduct a lesson. This lesson is designed for grades 2 to 3. This can be used as a basis for your own lesson. The aim of this lesson is to engage children and provide fun whilst they're learning. Good morning, class. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to go out into the playground and collect some items. I want some of these items to be man-made, such as balls, cricket bats, and I want some natural items. These can be feathers, rocks, and things like that. Okay, excellent. We've got lots of different things. We've got some drink bottles, some feathers. Great. So what can you notice about these items? Yep, they're different colours, different materials, different textures. So there's rough and smooth. Excellent. Now, what do you think would happen if I was to draw a line down the centre of these items? You don't know? Okay, well, let's have an example. If I was to put this paper down the centre of my face, can you see that each side looks the same? Do you think this would happen with everything? No. Okay, well, I'm not sure. Let's have a go. Excellent. Has anyone heard the word symmetry before? No? Okay, we're going to learn together. So, symmetry just means that each part of an object is identical or balanced. So, does everyone know what identical means? Yep, exactly the same, like identical twins. Okay, so when I put the paper over my face, both parts, which is each side, were the same, weren't they? Excellent. So that means that my face is symmetrical. So if we were to put the paper over something else and each part was different, then it wouldn't be symmetrical. Fantastic. Okay, so let's break up into groups and sit at our table. You notice that you'll have some string there, and that will be our line that we break the items up with. So you can use the pictures that are on the table, and we can also use the items that we collected just before. Fantastic. Okay, so can I have on one side of your table, we have the items that are symmetrical, so that's the items that are balanced on each side. And on the other side of your table, we'll have the items that aren't symmetrical. So when the string's gone down the middle, each side is different. Does anyone know what this line is called? So the string? No. Okay, well, when we put the line down the middle, this is called the line of symmetry. So each side of the line of symmetry is the same. Does anyone know what this kind of symmetry is called? No. Okay, this is called reflection symmetry or mirror image. Okay, so that's because one side mirrors the other side. So if we were to look in a mirror, we see the reflection, exactly the same thing. Yep, so that's why it's called this. Okay, great. Now this lesson could be further expanded upon by using symmetry in different contexts, such as you could do an Aboriginal painting. This would link in with geography and also history. So when you were learning about Aboriginals and the history of Australia, to strengthen their understanding, you could get them to draw Aboriginal art, and this would also draw their interest into the lesson. Symmetry, Aboriginal art is made up of symmetrical patterns, so that would also deepen their learning of symmetry. You could also paint a butterfly, so you paint one side of the butterfly and then you close it, and when you open it back up, both sides are the same, so this is symmetrical. That could also tie in with art, so you could discuss shades and what happens when you mix different colours together. For example, mixing red and white makes pink, or if you only mix a little bit of white, it makes a lighter shade of red. This this video relates to outcome 4 of the early years learning framework. Children are confident and involved learners. So these little activities are building the children's confidence with maths, and we all know that a lot of people have a negative negative experiences or a negative frame of mind when it comes to maths. So the knowledge and skills that children are learning now and their positive frame of mind with maths also sets the foundations for later on in life, and especially when they go to high school. And it's by having fun activities, it's developing a positive disposition for maths. It also develops their learning exploration, so they're outside and exploring, and it's fun and rewarding. They can take the artwork home to their parents, and that's rewarding and builds their self-confidence. These activities also develop their language and literacy skills. For example, when we were describing the textures and colours and things of the items. Thank you very much. That concludes the presentation, and I hope this has given you a better understanding of how I would conduct my class. Thank you.